In 1973, the Michigan Department of Transportation ordered every copy of a bridge documentary destroyed. The Pennington Bridge film documented construction across the Huron River using revolutionary stress distribution methods. Engineers reviewing the final cut noticed discrepancies in the load calculations shown on screen. The documentary's footage revealed actual weight tolerances at 40% below published specifications. Independent analysis confirmed the bridge had been certified using falsified data. Harold Pennington died February 30th, 1974. The bridge remains operational, carrying 87,000 vehicles daily. The county basement print is missing its final 3 minutes.